Phil, would you be able to tell me about the Megaflux series?
This Megaflux series is produced at our Tulsa, Oklahoma facility. So Allient Tulsa, it's a 172,000 square foot facility. We have lots of capacity at that facility. We produce many different sizes of this motor. So this ranges from much smaller, 76 millimeter, up to, up more than 255 millimeter.
What would you say that is? Like, you gotta give me an arm.
Yeah. So 255 millimeters, like that.
Okay.
We produce these motors the biggest one we've ever produced is 50 inches in diameter. It's a very, very large motor.
And what would those be used in?
This particular motor is used in an azimuth elevation application for a weapon system.
And would something like this be used in the medical?
Absolutely. So these motors are used on some of the leading platforms for surgical robotics when in terms of moving big joints, like the big shoulder joints and things where you got multiple arms coming in. Very smooth motors, very controllable. Again, fairly high pull count motors, so you get real precision out of these motors.
Is there anything that completely differentiates our product from our competitors?
One thing that I think separates us from a lot of our competition, where a lot of that's been offshored, certain aspects of it. So we produce all from the rotor, everything. This rotor is machined in the USA. The magnets are installed. The rotor assembly is built up in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Same thing with the stator. So, we customize, right? What we do, we have a standard part family you can look at on the website, and we customize off of that. So we don't want our customers to have a motor that's okay for their application. We want them to have a motor that's perfectly suited for their application. So we're able to do that at a very low cost. That's one of our strengths, as we can modify a winding. We can do that very fast. So we can have a winding that's tailored to a specific application for a specific customer in a week or less.
Okay, wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You
You
bet.
learned a lot.
Yeah.